Welcome students. In this video I'm going to talk about expressions with exponents. So expressions with exponents looks something like this. 5x cubed minus 2x squared plus x minus 1. So the variable here is x, the constant -1. So let's illustrate a little better with a smaller example. So you have something like this: 2x squared minus 1. So the variables is x, and the coefficient in this case for the variable is gonna be square 2, and the constant -1. Notice sometimes you only have one exponent, so the coefficient is 2 here, but the exponent for the variable x is 2. Sometimes you're gonna have something like this: x squared plus y squared. So the variable is gonna, so we can say something like these: variables, you have x, and the exponent is 2, and the variable is y, exponent is 2 as well. Let's illustrate this a little better with the table. Okay, so x squared plus 1. So variable is x, and then the exponent is 2, and the constant is 1, which is this one here. Okay, so the table: x squared plus 1, 0, 1. Okay, so 0 squared plus 1, that's equal to 1, and then 1 squared plus 1, that's equal to 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2. Then let's do one more: x squared plus y squared. So variables: x, exponent 2, variable y, exponent 2. Okay, so let's do a little table: x and y, and while we're outputting x squared plus y squared, let's do something like 0, 0, -1, -1, and then 2 and 1. Okay, it will be 0 squared plus 0 squared, that's equal to 0 plus 0, that's equal to 0. Then we have -1 squared plus -1 squared, which is equal to 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2. Then we have 2 squared plus 1 squared, which is equal to 4 plus 1, which is equal to 5. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe.